Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can use Notion for library management. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first step is to create a new page in Notion. Simply click on the plus New Page button and title the page Library Management. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for our entire library organization structure in Notion. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add a table to your page. Click on the plus Add a Block button and select the Table option. This table will serve as the main catalog for your library, helping you keep track of all your books, their status, and other relevant details. The reason we do this is to create a simple and easy-to-navigate system for managing your library. Once the table is ready, we proceed to set up the columns. You'll want columns for the book title, author, genre, status, whether it's borrowed or not, and any other details you deem necessary. This helps us because it allows for easy sorting and searching of books. Next up, we start adding books to the table. Click on the plus New button in the table and fill in the details for each book. Do this for each book in your library. It might seem tedious, but remember, the effort you put in now will save you countless hours in the future. Now let's leverage the power of Notion's linking feature. For each book, create a new page where you can add more details about the book, a summary, your review, or any notes you might have. To do this, click on the plus Add a Block button and select the Page option. This is a game changer because it allows you to have all information about a book in one place. So far, we've created a page for library management, set up a table with columns for our book details, added our books to the table, and linked each book to a separate page for further details. And that's how you use Notion for library management. Remember, the key to any good system is consistency, so keep your library catalog updated. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in our next video.